Watch this machine climb where it shouldn't exist. But first, like and subscribe. Ever seen a backhoe move like a spider? Not just climbing, it's reshaping mountains. Cliffs? No problem. Impossible angles? Easy. Scratching the surface? That's just warm-up for me. About to fall? Not with these long claws. Okay, sometimes I slip. And that's exactly why great operators are paid well.